video. We're going to show you what it's like to start this engine. And okay, Eli, go ahead. I hope you can hear that. It takes a second to start, not a lot. Here's the engine running. It's going to be hard for you to hear, but you can see she starts right up and she's working perfectly. Eli, go forward and then reverse a couple times. We'll engage the gears so you can maybe see the shaft spinning back there. And see that it's going in forward and reverse. See that everything's working properly. There just aren't any problems with this engine. Okay, I'm going to close this hatch now. And here's the kill switch. And after that, yeah, go ahead and turn the key off, please. You can turn the key off, and that's the engine.